Zona Colonial, in the oldest European city in the Americas. Before skyscrapers, before highways, and long before dictators like Rafael Trujillo, there was the Zona Colonial. Founded in 1498, this historic district in Santo Domingo is the oldest permanent European settlement in the Americas. It was here that Spanish colonists established the first cathedral, the first hospital, the first university, and the first paved street in the New World. As you walk these cobblestone streets today, you're walking through more than 500 years of history. Explorers, conquistadors, governors, revolutionaries, and ordinary people all passed through these same roads, helping shape not only the Dominican Republic, but the history of the entire Western Hemisphere. Today, the Zona Colonial stand as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a living reminder that the story of the Dominican Republic began long before Trujillo and continues long after him. At the casino. Hey. Wait. There's pigeons everywhere. Hola. Oh, okay, go around. Okay, gracias. Hey. Oh. What the fuck is that?
I'm out the door, no looking back. One-way stamp in a little black. New land, new pace, new plan with my dollars stretch. Where they understand, I want less stress in the softer scene. Fresh plate, fresh face, fresh energy.
Come on.
Cheap flights, clear nights, big shift. Whole life changed when I took that trip. Get outside the country. Watch the whole vibe change. Better care, better price, and I'm moving in my lane.
Oh, no habla español. Oh, no phone.
Cheaper and better. I found my peace in the sun. Passport bro, I'm gone. Passport bro, I'm gone. Pretty girl smile when I pull up, and I'm treated like I'm someone. Island breeze on my skin, no rush. New tongue, new touch, new hush. Long days, warm waves, good food. I'm in a zone, yeah, I'm in a good mood. No fake love, just straight intent. Women know what they mean when they sit and they bend. They keep it sweet, they keep it kind. I don't miss that old hard grind. Get outside the country, watch the whole vibe change. Better care, better price, and I'm moving in my lane. Passport bro, I'm gone. Passport bro, I'm gone. Cheaper and better. I found my peace in the sun. For more, less pressure on my back, more calm in the pack. One stamp, one flight, I'll be living this right. Tell me where the good ones at, I'm already packed. Passport bro, I'm gone. Passport bro, I'm gone. Cheaper and better, I found my peace in the sun. Passport bro, I'm out the door, no looking back. One-way stamp in a little black. New land, new pace, new plan with my dollars stretch. Where they understand, I want less stress in the softer scene. Fresh plate, fresh face, fresh energy. Cheap flights, clear nights, big shift. Whole life changed when I took that trip. Get outside the country, watch the whole vibe change. Better care, better price, and I'm moving in my lane. Passport bro, passport bro, I'm gone. Cheaper and better, I found my peace in the sun. Passport bro, I'm gone. Pretty girl smile when I pull up, and I'm treated like I'm someone. Island breeze on my skin, no rush. New tongue, new touch, new hush. Long days, warm waves, good food. I'm in a zone, yeah, I'm in a good mood. No fake love, just straight intent. Women know what they need.
Selfies, solo selfies. Grabación no.
No. No. Domino's Americana. Burger King Americana. On the Zona Colonial. No dinero. Mucho dinero. Vamos. Cash us. Cash. Chavez, rest in peace. What the hell?
Long days
1976. Oh, this is a burial. Right there, Sanchez. Mail y'all.
And I'm treated like I'm someone. Sure, new school, I've been asking for more. Less pressure on my back, more calm in the pack. One stamp, one flight, I'll be living this right. Tell me where the good ones at, I'm already back.